Hey, traders! Welcome back to the channel. Today's session is packed with actionable insights. We're diving into what happened in the Forex market on December 5, 2024, and what you need to keep an eye on for the next trading day. Stick around, because I'll also share key levels, trends, and some strategies that might give you an edge as we head into the weekend. Let's kick things off with a quick rundown of what moved the markets today. It's been an active session, with the US dollar showing mixed performance across major pairs. We saw some volatility around the ECB president's speech earlier in the day, which shook up the euro. Meanwhile, the Bank of England released its latest financial stability report, and the pound reacted sharply against the dollar and euro. On the flip side, the yen stayed under pressure as the Bank of Japan reinforced its dovish stance, signaling that interest rates will stay low for the foreseeable future. Commodity currencies like the Australian and Canadian dollars had an interesting day, mostly reacting to swings in crude oil prices and trade data out of China. I don't know about you, but days like this really remind us why staying on top of global events is critical in Forex trading. Alright, let's zoom into some of the major currency pairs. The euro-dollar pair struggled to maintain upward momentum today. It briefly tested the 1.0900 level before retreating after the ECB president hinted at possible tightening in 2025. For tomorrow, watch the 1.0850 support level. If it breaks, we could see further downside toward 1.0800. On the flip side, a push above 1.0920 might signal a recovery. The pound-dollar pair saw a decent rally earlier but hit resistance near 1.2700. The financial stability report from the BOE didn't provide the clarity traders hoped for, leading to a choppy session. Tomorrow, keep your eyes on the 1.2630 support zone. If it holds, we might see another test of 1.2700. A breakout there could pave the way to 1.2750. The yen has been a steady loser lately, and today wasn't much different. US dollar to Japanese yen is hovering around 151.80, close to a critical resistance zone. If it breaks above 152.00, we could see a run toward 152.50. However, any hint of risk-off sentiment could send it back to 151.20 or even lower. Shifting to the Aussie and the Loonie, these two currencies had a wild ride today. The Australian dollar initially weakened after lackluster trade data from China but found some support as US stocks rallied in the afternoon. As for the Canadian dollar, crude oil prices jumped by over 2% today, giving the Loonie some strength against the greenback. The dollar index has been stuck in a narrow range, but Friday's US non-farm payrolls report could shake things up. If the numbers come in stronger than expected, we might see a rally in the dollar across the board. On the other hand, weaker data could lead to a pullback, especially against the euro and yen. Heading into tomorrow, I'd recommend keeping an eye on the 1.0850 level. If you're looking for a breakout strategy, set your alerts for a move above 1.0920 or below 1.0850. For US dollar to Japanese yen, I'm cautious around 152.00. This pair often reacts quickly to changes in market sentiment, so be ready for volatility if US data comes in hot. If you're trading the Aussie, watch for any news out of China overnight. For the Canadian dollar, crude oil prices will remain a key driver, especially with OPEC Plus meetings happening soon. As we approach the weekend, remember that Friday afternoons can get tricky in Forex. Liquidity dries up, spreads widen, and unexpected moves are more likely. If you're in a trade, make sure you've got your stops in place. And if you're thinking of opening new positions, weigh the risks carefully. That's it for today's analysis, folks. Remember, the market never sleeps, and neither should your strategy. If you found this breakdown helpful, Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next update. And hey, drop a comment below, what's your favorite pair to trade, and why? I'd love to hear from you. Alright, traders, stay sharp, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next video.